Pictures and art can change your space from blah to fab and also showcase your unique personality. However, there are some things to consider as you dive into the glorious world of hanging pictures. Let's get into it. There are various types of hangers that pictures could come with. The three most common types are sawtoothed hanger, the wire hanger, and D-rings. For putting pictures on drywall, a nail or a screw won't hold up more than a few pounds on its own. To overcome the stability issue, remember, it's important to find yourself a stud. If you're like me, you want to hang your picture wherever it looks good. Essentially, you just need to figure out what type of tool you'll need, and that's going to depend on the weight of the picture and the type of hanger that's on the frame. Different wall hooks are rated to hold different weights. To figure out which works best, weigh your picture to see how heavy it is. Pull out your bathroom scale. Stand on the scale and take note of your weight. Step off, grab the picture, and get back on. Take the new total and subtract your weight. The outcome is the weight of the picture. If a picture is less than 5 pounds, a simple nail might work. But anything more will need a bit more oomph. These easy-to-install hooks are great for lighter pictures and wire hangers. Time to mark the spot. Common advice is to position the picture about 57 to 62 inches from the floor or at around eye level. I suggest having a partner hold the picture where you want it and stand back to get a feel for the positioning. Adjust to your liking, then place the corner of a sticky note to the top middle of the frame. Then hook the wire with your finger to see how the wire holds with tension and measure the distance from the top of the frame to the engaged wire. For a longer wire, use 2 fingers and 2 hooks. Transfer that measurement to the wall by using the centered sticky note as the top of the frame. For picture hooks, nails should be inserted at an angle so the weight of the picture is distributed. If the frame looks like it's angled away from the wall and you don't like it, bumpers can be added to the bottom back corners of the frame to help level the piece. Once the picture has been hung, use a bubble level on top of the frame to make sure it's level. Fantastic! Now your gorgeous art has its forever home. To find out more, go to familyhandyman.com.